this is going to be an interesting kind of day. It's all wet, slimy, so it's going to be a staying in the house kind of day. Just wanted to show you, I picked this up at the dollar store, if you can believe it. It's really super cute. And it has, let me just move this. It has a mirror. I just put the stuff that I like, so I have some lotions for nighttime. And I've got this one. These three I already showed you on a video before. That's what I like spraying on my bed sheets. I like coming into the room and having a really nice smell. Relationship gold, guys. Look at this.
I don't know if I want to tell you.
Rico, you go, buddy.
Oh dear.
Oh hi. New hair. Who dis? As you can tell,
Look how sassy she looks. You go, girl.
A ring of light and.
Hello, Bellas. It's me, Shannon, from Brown Girl Bella, back to bring you more lips, lashes, and luxury.
Welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. I can't believe I'm actually in Day 4 because you know what? I didn't think I was going to continue, but I thought, hey, let me try, and then I can only do what I can, right? But so far, we're good. On the 12 days, we are in Day 4, and today I want to share with you some things. I wanted to share this Marcel BB cream, which I absolutely love. It works amazing. And I am a big lippy moisturizer and glosses. So this one I am currently loving. This is from Victoria's Secret. This I also bought at Sephora. This is a sugar lip polish. Okay, it is so good. You know, I think it's brown sugar and it smells amazing. So I put that on and I rub it and then I wash it off. And then I put a little bit of lip moisturizer and And then I'm really loving this MAC lipstick. This one is, let me see, it's a Shocking Revelation Powder Kiss lipstick. Yeah, babe, look at this. Wow, look at that color. Oh, beautiful color year round, but for Christmas, yeah. I had some questions from you guys where I bought this candle. This almost like a marble look of a candle. I did not buy the candle like this. I bought the candle like this, just from the dollar store, the white candle. And what I did was I painted black spots all over it. And then I sprayed, I'll show you. I buy rubbing alcohol, 50% rubbing alcohol, and I keep it in a bottle like this. You know, now with COVID, there's some things that you can't wipe down and they need to come into the house. So I read somewhere, don't quote me on this, but I read somewhere that if you get the 50% alcohol, that, you know, it does work. So that's what I've done. So I keep this here for those things. But, so what I did was I painted some black spots. And then I let it dry for about maybe half an hour or so. And then I sprayed it and then I wiped it all out. And I wiped it, and as I wiped it, it created this marble effect. So that's how I made this candle. I also did another project that I posted a picture on Instagram that I also had questions about. So I will show you what I did. And I also got this jar at the dollar store, and I just filled in some of those rocks or whatever, those clear stones that you get. And then here I put some more bling, and I just made a little design. And this one here has sort of bling and a pearl. Now these are all peel and stick that I will show you that I get at the dollar store, but I do use the hot glue gun just to make sure that they stay. But it's a beautiful piece. And then what I did was I got this Christmas tree at the dollar store. You know, how can you go wrong? Right? And then I have this actually in my living room table. And you can use this year round. But when it comes to Christmas, booyah, there you go. And it looks really, really pretty in the dark. Like now you can't really see it, but yeah. So I got to go back to the dollar store and get a few more of these trees. But yeah, this is something that you can definitely do. You know, we're in lockdown. What else are we going to do other than cook, eat, maybe have a glass of wine or two or a bottle or four? Start getting creative, right? Let your creative juices flow, if you will. But one of the things I wanted to show you is my cup. I posted a picture of this on Instagram and a lot of you asked where I bought it. I didn't buy it. Well, actually, my husband bought the mug that looked like this. And then I bought the accessories, which I added on the mug.
My video.
And here's Monica's channel. And what is she making today? Oh my goodness.
Creations that are very inexpensive and simple to make
at home.
Oh my gosh, look how beautiful that is.
Christmas time.
Oh, I need that.
Now,
I need that in my life.
Everything on trips to the beach.
This girl,
I'm
oh my
wrapping them
goodness.
all the way around.
She is so
and I'm grabbing
creative.
this pick and I'm just grabbing
That's
the
DIY
glue
with
from it
Nadia.
and hot gluing.
I wanted to share with you a little dollar store haul, but I wanted to show you this glitter glue that I picked up and it was $2. Okay, this is what I used for the candle. I know that some of you were asking, but this is what it is. It's a glitter glue and it dries up, so it's perfect. These two bowls, and you're thinking, what the heck is she going to do with that? I am going to do a project with these two bowls, so stay tuned. I found this other one, which I thought was super cute, and a plate, and with the same pattern. And I'm going to be doing a project with this as well, of the black paint that I did on the, you know what, that black paint was from the dollar store, and it was actually my granddaughter's, the acrylic paint that I did the candle. So when I went back to the store, I picked up, you know, one for myself. They have all colors. It's a great deal for $1. And I got some paint brushes. I know I'm not a DIY channel, but the fun thing about DIYs is that, for me anyway, is that when I look at it, there's a sense of pride because I made it, right? I bought just a regular bowl, a little bowl, glass bowl, and I got these beads here. Let me show you. So I hot glued them around here. And I just got this little baby from the dollar store. And I got some of those beads. Okay. And then I put that in here. And voila. When you light this up, the candle inside, and it's and the room is dark, it just creates like a little wreath effect in the ceiling. It's super cute. You know what? For like $2, $3, there you go. Can't go wrong with that.